These are the top 10 moments that we found when we were exploring. So first, we've been finding these little wiggly boys everywhere. Then he fell on the thorn bush that I did later on too, but sadly we didn't catch it on video. But he fell into the thorn bush and got murdered.